Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a walk-in cooler job today. As you can see behind me, we've got Buda installed there. We're running the copper lines right now, PVC lines for the drain. You guys are working here. We got the other one right here. We'll get up there also. And go outside. We've got the condenser outside. Whew, nice and warm. Make sure you get this unlocked. Back inside. And here's the refrigeration. Ran the copper lines all the way to the top. Came out through there. Here. So call us for all your AC, refrigeration, heating needs. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. 512-448-0532. 24/7. Okay, thanks guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.